Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and signing into your Apple ID. This links carrier activations to your device. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi because the eSIM profile often downloads from the carrier online. Make sure you've saved the QR or activation code from the US carrier and backed up settings. This prevents losing a primary number. Now open Settings and tap Cellular to begin adding a cellular plan. You scan the carrier QR or choose Enter Details manually if needed. The phone will validate the eSIM and download the profile. Once the plan appears, label it clearly so you know which is your US line versus any home SIM. Then set your default line for voice and iMessage. If you want data on the eSIM, make it the cellular data line. Also decide whether to allow cellular data switching. This lets the phone use either plan automatically for best coverage. You finish by restarting your iPhone and testing a call, text, and data session to confirm service. If activation fails, first toggle airplane mode and retry the QR scan. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the carrier code is exact. If that still fails, contact the US carrier with your device EID and EMA. They can push the profile server side. And if nothing works, you can remove and re-add the eSIM profile, but only after backing up, because that resets routing and labels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.